If you want to learn digital marketing in 2024 and enhance your portfolio with some free certifications that will help you to get digital marketing jobs, internships, or if you want to make money through freelancing without enrolling in any paid courses, then this video is for you. Google algorithm, Google SEO, Google SEM, Google Ads. What if we can learn all these concepts from Google itself? Yes, you heard it right. First course in our list is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google. In this course, you will learn digital marketing from basics. You will get to learn digital marketing from the professional experts from Google with real-world projects and examples. You will get to learn digital marketing fundamentals, types, SEO, SEM, analytics, and a lot more. The best part of this course is that you will get a free certificate from Google upon completing this course. Next course in our list is from Hubspot Academy, the digital marketing course. If you want to build a successful career in digital marketing, then don't skip this course. You can complete this course within 4 hours and also get a free certificate. Both of these courses will teach you digital marketing from basics to advanced level, and if you want to learn digital marketing in depth, then you can also complete the Google Analytics course by Google for free. After completing these courses, you can also enroll for Google Ads 4 certification courses that includes display ads, measurement ads, Google search ads, and shopping ads. Next, you can do some additional courses on Hubspot Academy for free like content marketing, social media marketing, digital advertising, email marketing. This was all about digital marketing free resources. All these courses links are provided in the description box. Feel free to drop a comment below if you are on a lookout for valuable resources to enhance your skills in any domain. I am here to help you on your learning journey.